Days and nights were passing. Too many people were passing from that park. Lots of kids, languages, laugh, voices, screams, stories, and the sun was shining. One child was playing alone. He went a bit further. He saw another child. He spoke to him. He seemed to respond. They couldn't communicate at first. They were starting with gestures, laughing and speaking. They were repeating the words. A girl was approaching, was gathering all of the children, and she was starting to speak. Who knows in which language? She lied on the grass. The kids were following her. Silence. The girl started with a sound. The kids were again following her. Suddenly, they stand up, grabbing the hand of each other very hard. They were smiling again. Let's go to play. A game. Words that they were yelling. One ball, laugh, and noisy sounds of running. People were gathering to see what's going on. They were wondering, who is this girl? How she managed to gather all of those children that they are not speaking the same language? How they managed to play together? Suddenly, the children were separating from the group. They were running. It seemed they were searching something. They were collecting flowers to give it to that girl, who was there, in the same place, waiting for them. She put a very big paper on the grass, lots of colors. It seems like a big map, I would say. Every child was putting a hand in the colors in order to make a handprint on the map. They were picking a country without notice. By accident, not the country where they came from. All around, more and more people were approaching. The girl took one of the flowers that the children gave her and offered it to another girl. Children started to do the same. The crowd started to clap heartily. Who she was? A volunteer.